In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check how much space you have left in your Dropbox account using your desktop browser. Understanding how to do this is crucial, especially if you're managing multiple projects or sharing lots of files with colleagues and friends. Knowing your available storage space can help you organize your files more efficiently and ensure you're not caught off guard when you try to add one more item to your drive. Let's start by heading over to Dropbox's website. Open a web browser on your desktop and type in Dropbox.com. Once there, go ahead and log in using your credentials. If you've forgotten your password, Dropbox's recovery options are straightforward and should have you back in your account in no time. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at your Dropbox homepage or dashboard. Now, to access your account settings, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You should see your avatar, which is either a profile picture or your initials. Depending on what version of Dropbox you're using or your browser's layout, this icon might be located at the top right instead. Either way, go ahead and click on it. This action should bring up a menu with several options. Next, from this menu, you'll want to click on Manage Account. This is your main hub for all things related to your Dropbox service. Upon selecting Manage Account, you'll be directed to a section filled with tabs detailing various aspects of your Dropbox experience. Among these tabs, look for the one labeled Subscriptions. Click on this tab to proceed to the Subscriptions page, where you'll find all the information related to your account plan and usage. Once you're on the Subscriptions page, you'll see a storage bar. This bar is designed to give you a visual representation of how much space you're currently using on Dropbox. It's broken down into several sections: space used by regular files, space used by shared files and folders, and lastly, the unused or available space. This breakdown is particularly useful if you're collaborating on shared files often, as it shows how much space those shared items are occupying. Monitoring your storage is especially important if you're on a basic or pro account with limited space. Keeping tabs on your usage ensures you won't unexpectedly hit storage limits, potentially interrupting your workflow. If you find you're using more space than you expected, it might be time to consider organizing, archiving older files, or upgrading your plan to better suit your needs. And there you have it, a straightforward way to keep track of your Dropbox storage on your desktop. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.